2021 SEMA show with Marco.
How's it going, guys? I'm Marco with Asphalt Jeep, and this is our 2021 Ranger for SEMA 21. So we have our front grille here is the T-Rex, but also the Z-Road series with a single light bar. We have Weston for our off-road products. That's going to be their Pro Series front and rear bumpers. We also have the Weston Automotive side steps on it. It's on a 6-inch lift with the N3 rough country struts on there. We also have our TIS wheels, which is the 17s, V-Lock series, and then we're on Radar tires. The Radar tires are 35 by 12.50 R17. We did run with our exhaust. We have the AWE exhaust on it, which sounds great. For the fenders, we did our Fiberworks fenders. They come out about 4 inches extra on each side, so it gives it that mean, aggressive look. And then we have our Z-Road series pods up there as well for the ditch lights.
Nice, it's a great looking grill.
Thank you so much, we appreciate it. So the project this year, we wanted to go with something more sleek. So for the headlights and taillights, we have Anto USA, but we didn't want to make it too crazy or over the top. So overall, it was a more clean look that can handle pretty much everything, also a daily driver.
Nice, and how do you like this show so far?
Show's been great. It's a little bit different with the with everything that's been going on, but we're happy to be here and look forward to next year.
Yeah. Well, we've been partnering up with Marco for a couple of years now, was it?
I think 18 might have been our first year.
2018, right? And then 2019 you got Hulk.
Yep, the Hulk.
Yeah, and then this year the Ranger, and then another one,
the Gladiator.
A Gladiator.
Yes.
So, thank you for being a great partner, and we look forward to